No skulls, no chains, no pointless fluff. Just classic roadworthy tailoring and comfort. The old school's 1 to 1.2 millimeter drum-dyed cowhide and subtly integrated VariableFlow ventilation combine to give you serious protection and comfort in authentic old-school styling. Other roadworthy features include 5mm high-density padding at the shoulders and elbows, a removable quilted full-sleeve liner, adjustable waist, reflective stripe, microfiber lined collar, plus 2 outside pockets and 1 inside pocket. Robust protection and ventilation where you need it, without sacrificing that classic style.